today we've got the BBR, which is probably, if you know about it, one of the most exclusive manufacturers of scale models in the world. और ये BBR की जो cars होती हैं ना, if you buy a real Ferrari, they give you a model. So this is that, and you just look at the packaging, how exquisite it is. This is all velvet. This is the certificate. Wow. So first of all, if I just start from the base, see this whole part, proper pure leather with real stitching. Stitching also is the classic Ferrari stitching in the red color. This is a proper embossed Ferrari logo. This part, it's all metal and it's proper embossed. 812 Competizione. Then we come on to the front. Front mein, if you look at the car, the proper wide stance of the car, which is the classic 812 stance, so nicely replicated with the minutest of details in the front, the bumper, the logo of Ferrari, the Ferrari logo on the hood. Also the paint finish, if you see, just amazing. Headlamp detailing 10 on 10. Then if you just look at it from the side, first we look at the wheels. Wheels mein the replication of the style of the alloys, the fact that it has Pirelli tires with P0 in the tire stickering and everything, yellow calipers, just the wheel detailing. Then here we've got the Ferrari logo, also the ORVMs, the wipers detailing. This is how it looks from the top. Then we come on to the door, the way the doors are shaped exactly, the door handle detailing. Then the rear wheels, and finally when we come on to the rear, here is where it says limited edition. So this is a proper limited edition, only 112 in the world, only 112, and this is number 51.
That's the engine, and you can see the detailing here. Even the mesh of the intakes is properly replicated.
The mesh of the intakes. And this is a very nice angle to see the interior also. The interior detailing is just...
Although it's a sealed model.
Carbon fiber steering and the dashboard and the stitching. The rear looks like, you look at the tail lamps, the Ferrari logo, the rear diffuser, the exhaust detailing. Here you got the BBR logo on the base, and this is one model which you do not want to remove from the base and just display it like this. Just the base is so pretty, and overall the presentation, you saw the box and you saw everything. Very small video, probably one of the most special unboxings on my page. Big shout out to Rohan Bhaiya for this, and hope you guys liked it. Let me know what did you think about it. Let me know in the comments, and just drop your reaction when you first saw the box open. What was that like? Thank you.